Alright, so me and Adrian managed to make it to like some sort of hotel slash cafe. And my jacket's still wet from the rain, even my shirt. Some of the stuff in that little pouch you saw in my backpack and a bit of my hood. Like, I took some heavy L's out of that one, and I was really hoping that the both of us would get some W's and stay dry for the whole day, but Mother Nature decided to play us. I mean, like I tell you, like, perhaps like what DJ Khaled would say.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Exactly. So, I mean, yeah. Like we're still going to stay here for like the fireworks, and maybe after that, might have to use his phone in to like call my mom and dad if they could drop us home, and maybe like asking for coming to see the fireworks. So like, let's hope we actually do take the W's at the end. W. Like, yeah, just take W's, man. Yeah, W's, man. W's.
A few moments later.
So it's been like an hour since I last shot the last clip. It's just that I've been like trying to charge my tablets because it was like nearly on the verge of dying on me. And so Adrian is also charging his phone right now, and just checking if where we should be at the
a good spot.
Yeah, like just checking if where would be a good spot for us to check the where we would watch the fireworks.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's really hard to decide because I mean, the Alexandra Bridge is going to close at 9 o'clock, and we don't have that much time. And we can't, and we're not sure if we can go to the Parliament Hill because it's going to be so packed with so many people. I mean, it's going to be like really hectic to get out of it once the fireworks is over. I mean, also, plus it's like, what he said, like, was it still raining? And I just got to check if it is. And, I think it's still raining out, but I don't know. I mean, like, even though I might take an L again about where, maybe I might take an L and going outside again, but at least, but this is for Canada, man, Canada. But if I'm willing to take the L, I'm willing to take an L for Canada. Like, yeah, honestly though, but like, yeah, I'll just take the L. Me and Adrian just left the Alt Cetera hotel, and so pretty much just that we're going to go see the fireworks right now, or maybe like around like the War Museum or the
Just beside World Museum.
no, it's just
Because right here is so much people.
yeah, like so you can't. Oh, sorry if it's like a little dark right now, but
Doing a flash or something?
I don't have flash on this
I
tablet.
got a flash.
Alright.
Just like a camera's flash.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's much better.
Okay,
So,
that's good.
yeah, so me and Adrian won't be going to the Parliament to see the fireworks, like, at least up close, because, like, we won't see because the fireworks are happening behind the building.
Yeah?
And we won't like see much of it, but if you like distance ourselves from like too much of the people, we would end up seeing more of the fireworks. So we might be like at some sort of like maybe like the history or the art museum, and we could like possibly see more of the fireworks there. Yeah, and
So cold right here.
yeah, it's like I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I mean, after the rain drops, it was like I mean, like right now it's like really cold, and
Just like 10 degrees.
yeah,
It's
like
freezing.
yeah, like here's the thing, like after the rain, it was really cold. It was starting to get all cold, and like I
Yeah.
mean, I just put on like
It's
a
not
sweater.
like it's summer.
Yeah, I mean, it started summer, but like Mother Nature has been like a hater to us this week.
Yeah.
And I mean, he's I'm wearing a t-shirt, a t-shirt, a sweater, and that's like, and my rain jacket, and like something got wet, but like it was telling me it was like too hectic, man. Like I mean, like, where did Mother Nature put the respect on the Canada Day? Like, yeah, but I hope you. Like, just that we got ourselves maybe like an hour till we get the so we see the fireworks and have you guys see it as well. It's gonna be lit, man. Just a little lit. And
But still, it's 1 hour, is it?
yeah, like around 1 hour.
No. Yeah, 1 hour.
Yeah.
Because this is 10 o'clock right now.
Yeah.
Almost. 9:57.
Yeah.
So
But-
we are so excited.
Yeah, man.
Me, it's my first time to celebrate in Canada.
Hey, you look like an exchange thing, right?
No,
No,
I citizen.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, I just come here for 1 year and 6 months.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And
And we are still finding the spots of that. And
Yeah.
so we got some spare time to walk to the best spot ever.
yeah.
Yeah.
We just like find like a good spot to like celebrate Canada Day, like
Yeah.
to see the fireworks.
So we hope we can go close
Like,
by the.
Yeah, some place where we could see the fireworks.
Yeah. Of course, we are going to see the fireworks.
Oh yeah, I mean that's the point of Canada Day.
We're standing back of the tall buildings. What is the point?
Yeah, I know. Like, it's like, oh man. Well,
Oh, we are taking helicopters or something.
oh no, like be somewhere like low key hijack the helicopter.
Or something.
Yeah,
News report or something.
yeah. Oh man,
Let's see at the street at the Parliament Hill. or
like this
something.
right here.
No. Let's go there. Because we need to go to the river, and I know where is the parkway is. Because last week I'm biking here
Yeah.
from Canada, so I know some pathway will be much better to see the
Oh.
firework thing.
So, like the Supreme Court, like right over there.
Oh, there's so many people over there, but yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good spot. But I know Supreme Court behind that will be. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Oh man, it's. Yeah, oh, wait, okay. So it's a little dark, but Alright, so the both of us actually found like a good place to like, see the
And the
fireworks.
Supreme Court.
Yeah, at the Supreme Court of Canada, and let's just say it looks a little bit of a banger. Like, I don't know if you can see it that well, but yeah, you don't see it that much. But let's just say it's pretty awesome though.
Yeah.
Like, oh man, I swear it's like a maze at the night, but like
Yeah.
crazy. And maybe like smell a little bit of weed, but
Yeah, like raccoon. Raccoon.
yeah,
Oh, so many people.
yeah. Because we're trying to like find like a good spot to like see.
I think this is a good place.
Yeah.
We can stop.
So we ended up changing locations from the Supreme Court of Canada to
Quebec.
what's the bridge called?
I have no idea.
Check your phone.
Oh yeah.
The port. Let me see. Port. We switched to like the Portage Bridge.
Yeah, duct tape.
And
Hot take.
and like the view here is a lot better. But sorry if you can't see it. But
Start to rain.
no. Yeah. So I mean, like the view here is a lot better than the. Hey, Adrian, I can see the War Museum. But this view is like a lot better. And we had to like change locations here. But it's going to get like a little. Oh man.
We might be go there.
So, yeah, we're just moving forward along the way, and oh wow, wait, Adrian, I think this is pretty good. Yeah, and yeah, so let's like find a way to the bridge, and
No.
too dark. And,
So many trees.
well, we're at the Portage Bridge right now. Yeah, this is like the struggles of filming with this tablets. It's like it makes me so dark that I'm even darker than Michael Blackson. Like, I mean, he is like at least more darker than a black leather jacket. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I don't want to be as dark as Michael Blackson or even darker than him.
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Like this is more like a bro moment, but
Go to Quebec.
again, been to Quebec twice in one day. First time through bus, second time through walking. Right in the dark.
What's the time right now? Oh, 10:20.
Yeah, it's like 10:20. And
It's raining here.
I'll tell you, like too many people.
To cross over there.
Yeah, I don't want to like hurt myself and like taking L's. Ooh. Yeah, I like this view.
Place where it's like,
Wait a second, this is
I got a spot over there, but that's bad.
I'll tell you, like this is like more of a you have to be here moment. I mean, because like there's just too much people. It's too much people, man. Okay, so as you can tell by the window out here, I spent most of my entire day editing the the graduation vlog, and I didn't have time to actually sign off properly. So pretty much I had a good time at being at Parliament Hill with Adrian. If you want to like follow him on Instagram, it's CKC Adrian. And if you want to watch his epic gaming skills, his Steam username is Fear Dry Melons. I'll put them in the description below. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's at YodaDodaForce29. And for my Twitter, you can follow me at Naruto Nerd Herd. And I mean by this guy in the orange. So like I'll also put my social medias down below. And I mean, it was actually like a really blessed day getting to go explore downtown even more. Like there are some spots most of the spots I've been there before when I'm with my family, but there are some of the places I never get to go myself in person, on the streets walking, and also just there are some parts that I never get to see, which is the first time for me, which I find was I find it pretty awesome. So I'm gonna have to end off the vlog here and say like I hope you guys have an amazing day. Make sure to don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, comment, share. And don't forget, if you want to be part of my notification squad, just hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button. And also, let's just get this video to like maybe around like 150 likes, and just so you know that you are a blessed fam right there. And remember, let's break out of here.